Dear order members, Namo Buddhaya Jai Bhim. I am Yashosagar from Pune. COVID-19 virus hit India badly. Particularly, it is hitting badly in Maharashtra. You might have already known about this. This is really getting situation very badly, very scary. Lots of order members are getting affected. Their families are getting affected. In last week or so, we lost 4 of our order members, including Dhammacharini, a woman order member. And some of the order members are still admitted in the hospitals. Some order members' family being quarantined. So this is really a difficult situation for Indian movement. It is really difficult to get the beds in hospitals, to get the ICU beds in hospitals are getting difficult more and more. Particularly the major cities like Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, Amravati are getting affected badly. The situation in hospital is very difficult. It is very difficult to get the beds, and some of the order members due to that has to get admission in the private hospitals where charges are very high. Those order members who has no income, or those order members who has low income, or those order members earn their living on daily wages are getting affected. It's not only that, but there is now a 15 days lockdown in Maharashtra. That will also result in having less income or no income. So that will also affect on some of the order members' family. Some of the order members' family are home quarantine, and since they are ill, they are sick, they cannot cook at their home, so they have to buy a ready-made or cooked food from outside. That also costs a lots of money. So these are the real difficulties for those people who has really less money, or just they earn their livings on daily basis. It is really difficult. So these people are definitely need in a great help, financial help. Your financial help, you're helping them with the finances, will definitely help them for the hospitalization, for the medicine. Particularly some of the medicines are costly, so that will help them to get a good medicine. It will also help them to have the good food, good nourishing food, and it will also help them after the post COVID things. If they get discharged from the hospital, still they have to be at home at least for 7 days, or sometime for 15 days, and they will not have any work during that time. So definitely your financial help will help them to get through this difficult financial situation. So all this way you can help the order members and their families to come out of difficulties. This situation is very critical, and I really ask you to please help. Thank you very much.